In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme colors in PowerPoint. This advanced tutorial will guide you through customizing your presentation's look to suit your style or brand identity. So let's dive right in and transform your slides into something that truly stands out. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you've got the program running smoothly. If you need help locating it, simply search for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to your PowerPoint presentation. This is where we'll make all the magic happen. You might have a file already prepared, or maybe you're starting fresh. Either way, just load your presentation on the screen. Now that you've got your presentation up, it's time to get acquainted with the Design tab on the top menu. This is your toolbox for all things aesthetic and graphical concerning your slides. By clicking on the Design tab, you enter the realm where creativity and design come together to shape how your presentation will look and feel. Within the Design tab, direct your attention to the Variants section. You'll find this to the right side of the menu ribbon, and it's where the fun truly begins. Here, you can see various themes and styles that bring different flavors to your presentation. Keep an eye out for the drop down arrow at the end of the Variants section. Clicking this opens up a wider menu of customization options you won't want to miss. Let's dive deeper into these options. Once you've opened that drop down menu, you'll see a variety of choices concerning your theme's elements, such as fonts, effects, and importantly, colors. Click on the colors option and you will be greeted with a range of preset color palettes PowerPoint provides. These are thoughtfully designed, keeping color theory in mind, ensuring good contrast, readability, and aesthetic appeal. Your task now is to select a color theme that resonates with your presentation's purpose. Maybe you're looking for something vibrant and energetic, or perhaps a more subdued and professional palette. As you scroll through the options, think about your audience and what kind of impression you want to leave. When you find the perfect color scheme, simply click on it and watch as your slides instantly update with your new color choices. Changing the theme colors in PowerPoint can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your presentation. Whether you're working with a default theme or a custom one, these steps will help you tailor your slides with style and coherence. Once your new colors are applied, take a moment to review each slide to ensure everything looks harmonious and as intended. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've breathed new life into your slides. Your presentation is now set to impress with a customized color scheme that aligns with your vision. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.